It's Friday today, and this is Vlogmas episode number 3. I feel good. I feel great. I hope you guys are good. It is the 1st of December. Happy New Month, guys. We've made it. Wait, like anyway, I want to go quickly to the mall. I'm taking my lunch now and I want to go to the mall. Oh, I think needs to fetch something. I don't know what it. And Gia also wants to buy something. I'm not gonna buy anything. I'm just gonna place an appointment for my nails. And then yeah, we will be back. Oh, I also need to buy a few things that we want to use. Let's say beggars tonight. So that's what we're doing. I'm starting this vlog right now. So let's go, guys. Yeah, I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. Okay, let us go. See, guys. Oh, it smells so bad.
The sun kissed, ma'am. It's giving everything.
Yeah, guys, what I do those bags. I'm gonna do those baggers, guys. Our number one, so we're just gonna prep our things. So the sun kissed ma'am. Yo guys, I'm so tired, but this is how our burger turned out. I think I need to put more sauce, but anyway, that's our food. Hi guys, good morning. It is Saturday today and I have a makeup booking. But this is from a friend of mine, like, you know, so I'm just gonna do makeup on one. I think or something like that. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going there quite early. I don't know, it's Saturday today. I actually get but something to do with church. Yeah, something to do with church. So that's where I'm headed. It is currently 6:35. Yeah. But I think if you like 7, so shouldn't take long. Anyway guys, we are continuing with this vlog. I want to go to the mall to quickly run a few errands. You guys know me, I'm a mall babe. I'm always at the mall running errands, but I also just want to shoot the video. Yeah, Dr. that pizza thing, because I did it, but I didn't like it, you know. So I need to reshoot that. So that's where I'm gonna go right after this, and then later on I've got an appointment for my hair. So yeah. Anyway, I'll see you guys so that I can listen to music, because obviously I'm using my phone to vlog and I need my phone to play some nice music. So we shall talk later until I buy a camera. I think I'm here. I'm not sure. I wanna call again quickly, but I also wanna have my tea. I am 7 minutes early. Guys, I'm sweating so much. Come, I'm having tea. The things I put myself to. Let me actually call this lady and ask her if I'm at the right place.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, put your sweats on, I got the plug, I made the call for free. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill.
I'm done. She looks so good. I actually just miss doing people's faces. Oh my goodness. Yo, Ubila. I feel like pictures and videos are not doing justice, because she's absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous hand worldwide. Yo, I get sure, but anyway. Sure. She looks so good. She looks so good. Ah! Oh wow. Anyway, I'm going back home. I want to change what I'm wearing, because I get a bit of fruit, so I'm just gonna change and get it to Gisa, then go to the mall. So yeah. Yeah. Say hi, Kia, to my vlog. Hi. I feel like I'm always here, guys. I'm always Macolonate. But we only have an hour 30 minutes to be done. Orang mana kata gimana? Anyway, uzomkhata. Wena bazonginyathela, umama wakhe uzonginyathela ngempama. Ngifuna uzawukhala. That's the keyword. Oh, we saw the keyword. I want to trendy sarena. Hey, hola, re mano wa batho ke KNA. Come EFF. Re bontshe matla lena. These cues. Kona le rekela bana le barata Christmas. Let's go. What's her phone? Yeah, give it. Kaya ko na bigyan ng go. Okay. Oh. Why are you smiling? I'll try cranberry. One thing about it, she will taste.
And then kupla cranberry.
Cranberry is this. Cheers.
I'm a suspect of design the trust. Not just this flavor.
This is nice. And it's not too sweet. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Oh, it's nice. And it's not sweet. Yeah. No, but I look weird. Definitely crazy.
200.
Okay, not bad. Try this one. No. At the hand. This is how much they charged me to take a video here. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. They charged me. All this. All this. Very refreshing as well. For my sake, if you haven't tried this, please. This is too good. This is too good. And very refreshing. What is that? What is that box? Good morning, guys. I am on my way to get my hair done. So Mawani, I told you guys that I'm gonna get my hair done, but the lady had an emergency and she asked me to come this morning. Luckily it's literally like 5 minutes drive away, so that's fine. And I also had to go somewhere from the mall, so it was okay. It was really okay. So now I'm on my way there. I hope she's ready. Wanted because obviously I'm excited and I have to drive. I go for the seatbelt. It's on. A perfect job. I really honestly love this hair, guys. I'm gonna if you look more in Pretoria, I'm gonna put her details, go mabobani, social, whatever. Guys, please use her services because she is absolutely amazing. She's perfect. Like, yo, she's perfect. And we started right ka 7. We were having such a beautiful conversation. I honestly really love her. Please support my girl because what is this? Already setting my next appointment for my next install. I'm gonna give her to customize my other hair because wow. Let me get home and take a bath for church. Oh, gotta give it somewhere, but anyway. Let me go. I'm so excited, guys. This is my first install, but let's come blame man. Yo. Tulang village waiting. Hey, lavanyani. My lover santa. Hey, lavanyani. He grille motor installa. Hey, lavanyani. She stays 5 minutes away. Hey, lavanyani. And she's so nice to me. Okay. Try, guys. Look at something. But anyway, look at this. How perfect, how good is my hair? I'm so happy. I know I showed you in the car, but let me go take a bath, get ready. Is this mine? Thank you, I need. I know you're lying. That's smiling. Anyway, guys, I need to get ready for church, and bye. We are late for church, guys. We are late for church. We're a little bit late, yeah. Gotta get in like a 1/2 and it's 10 past now. But anyway, I'm not gonna do much. I thought I was gonna put on makeup, Mara, got this heat, I will die and perish. So I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna close off the vlog tomorrow. I hope I do, because obviously I'm not gonna be able to vlog today, but I want to close it off properly tomorrow and start a new one, and also show you my hair tomorrow. So yeah, let us go to church, guys. I hope you are good and right. Hey guys, so it is the next day. It's Monday today, and I actually just want to close off this vlog. But I also realized that I never told you guys how will I be uploading this vlogmas. So I will not be able to upload daily. That will definitely not work for me because of work. Like, I can't do it. So I will upload every Tuesday and Friday in the morning. So I'll just, so yeah, Tuesdays and Friday. If there is a vlog during between the days, then yay, great. But if not, then that's also good. So yeah, every Tuesday and Friday, you guys must look out for my vlog. So yeah, let me close this vlog here. I also wanted to show you the hair that made me so excited yesterday. It's still intact. It still looks so good and fresh. I think I will be able to go to the office Wednesday, but I will update you guys in my next vlog because I'm gonna start it right after this one. I am actually enjoying vlogging so much, guys, and I really, really pray to God how the next year I keep up with the same energy. Pray for me. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for interacting with me in the comment sections. Thank you for sharing on your Instagram stories and tagging me. I really, really appreciate it. Please do subscribe if you haven't already. If the subscribe button down below is red, just click on it. It's absolutely free. You don't pay for anything. Tell your friends to also subscribe and help me grow the channel, and also tell them to actually watch so that I can grow my watch time. Is it watch time? I think so. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for everything. Get that one in my next video.